no alcohol, no rice, no soda, no junk food, nothing. I know, guys.
If they want one thing, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alineee. Welcome back, guys. We're back with a talking video. If you're new here, today I'm kicking off July with a new challenge. I know it's already July 4th. When I'm recording this, it's July 4th. So we're gonna kick off July with a challenge to reset our body, our habits, our mindset. I want you guys to join me on this challenge. This is not my first challenge. I do challenges every month. And this is my first challenge since I gave birth. And I hope you guys can join me. You know, let's do this together. So with that being said, let's go to the rules of this challenge, and I'll put a picture right here just in case you want to screenshot it, and I'll make rules for you guys on what you guys need to do, what do you need to drink, what kind of exercise you need to do. If you guys want to like a reference on the exercise part, go to my videos. There's a playlist of all the exercises that I do, also vlogs too, so you guys can go through there, and then there's a whole bunch of them that I have so far. So with that being said, let's begin. So the first one is no eating rice. No rice at all. I know for us African, rice is our best friend. But let me tell you guys, rice is not, it's like it has a lot of carbs. It has a lot of carbs in there. And it's not healthy, especially if you eat that every day. And I was eating rice like every day since I gave birth. So I told myself, you know what, this month I need to like change it up, eat something different, and see how my body's gonna react. If you eat a lot of rice, try cutting that rice for 30 days and see how your body changes. The second one is, I know this one might be hard for you guys. No fast food or junk food. No McDonald's, no Wendy's, no Popeyes, no, what else? Any fast food, anything you know that's fast food, no. And no junk food like chips or candy or hot dog. That's not fast. That is not junk food. But anyway, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, no hot dog. Number 3 is no alcohol. I know. No alcohol. I know the holidays are coming. The 4th of July is literally today. I'm recording this on the 4th of July. I know you guys want to drink your alcohol. You want to turn up. You want to have fun. But I'm telling you guys, no alcohol, okay? Okay, number 4, no soda of any kind. No. That's all I have to say. I don't even have to explain that one. No soda. I mean, of course. I haven't had soda in like, last year.
C-A-P.
But the only time I drink soda is when I mix with like alcohol. I don't just like grab a soda and just drink it by itself. No. Anyways, the next one is, this one is about fitness. 3 days a week of fitness. And make sure if you don't have time to go to the gym, just go out for a walk. Do like a 45 to an hour walk. Just do that. Just stay active. That's what you have to do. You don't have to go to the gym. If you don't feel comfortable going to the gym, go outside, walk at the park. The park is literally free and is right there. Also, drink a gallon of water. Water is going to be your best friend. I drink 2 of this. So this one is 64 ounces. And then a gallon of water is 64 times 2. That is a gallon of water. So try to drink this. Try to drink a gallon of water a day. Water is very, very important. It's going to flush out everything. Especially since you're doing this reset. You're resetting your body. It's going to kind of like, you know, flush out everything. And you're going to feel great. I want you guys to follow the challenge with me. Let's do it together. Let's stay fit. Let's stay healthy. Let's stay active. All the above. So if you're serious, this is for you. I do challenges like every other month, different challenges, like when it comes to like health, it can be like fitness wise, anything like that. If you cannot do the challenge, you can always do just like, instead of cutting off rice, you can always like try to eat like rice maybe 3 times a week. Nah, you know, just slow baby steps. Everything don't have to happen overnight. So baby steps. Just think of this as a short-term goal from things that might spike your blood pressure, sugar level, or make you feel bloated. Think of it as like a reset to your body, because at the end of the day, when you're bloated, you don't feel good. When your stomach is flat, and you know how you feel when your stomach is flat, okay? Let's not play. I will check in with you guys weekly to make sure you guys are, you know, committed to this challenge, because this is not about me, it's about you guys. Check in with you guys. I'll post every week. I will also do like a body check, just to, you know, keep you guys motivated. Keep you guys motivated, okay? And if you cannot go to the gym, try at least once a week. At least once a week is fine. And then do those two other days. Go out for a walk or do whatever you can. You can start this challenge any day. It don't have to be July 1st. It can be July 20th. Just go from July 20th to August 20th. That's 30 days. Okay? So I know when summer is here, everybody try to get fit. You try to get that body, but you cannot try to get that body in the summertime. It's gotta happen before the summer. So when the summer is here, your body's already perfect. Let's crush July together. Let's enjoy this challenge, and don't make it hard for yourself. Do it because you want to do it. And if you cannot do it, there's always next time, okay? Do not be yourself. There's always next time. And that will be it for me, guys. Let me know how you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course. I love you guys, and you guys have a nice day and happy July, and enjoy the challenge, guys.